How to delete YouTube video on mobile. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Want to clean up your YouTube channel by removing some of your uploaded videos but not sure where to start and how to do it? If so, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process to permanently delete a YouTube video right from your mobile device. Let's jump into it. First and foremost, open up your YouTube application on your mobile device. You will land to its official homepage. At the bottom, tap on the circle with your profile picture. Now tap on your channel name and you will land to your official YouTube channel page. Switch to videos section by tapping it. Over here, you will find all your uploads in YouTube. Tap on 3 vertical dots beside the video title. Right here, you can see there's no option to delete. Since there's no direct option to delete videos, you will need to have YouTube Studio installed on your device. It's the official app for managing your YouTube channel. If you don't have it, download it from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see on my home screen, I have already installed YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio. You will land to your channel dashboard. Ensure you are on the correct channel. If not, tap on the circle with your profile picture at top. Right here, you could see the option of switch account. Tap on this option and you could easily switch between channels. Once you have selected the correct channel, at the bottom, tap and go to the content section. Here you will find all of your uploads on YouTube channel. Tap on the 3 vertical dots beside the video title. Right here you can see we are now getting the option to delete. Tap on the delete option. A pop-up will appear. Make sure that you have selected the correct video that actually needs deletion, as deleting content from YouTube is permanent and cannot be undone. If everything looks good, tap on the delete button. This might take a little time and boom, you have successfully deleted your YouTube video using your mobile device. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.